Welcome to Lecture 6, our second step towards thermodynamics. In Lecture 6 we will cover two concepts which are important if you would like to translate the statistical physics theory that we developed towards thermodynamic description that you frequently will find. In the first step we will derive further ensembles which are called the thermodynamic potentials in thermodynamics. In passing, we will switch to a different representation, which is the energy representation. Typically in thermodynamics, things are described in terms of free energies in place of partition functions. Now, the person who has been very interested in description of gases and liquids has been commonly honest, and for that developed a lot of technologies. So in the background, this yellow house is actually his home.